Hey folks, wanted to tell you about this axle set we're shipping out today. It is super hot out here, 90 something degrees, so we're sweating our butts off, but we're shipping this axle set out today. And what we've got here is a 10 bolt front and a 14 bolt semi-float rear. So it's a little bit different than what we're used to doing every single day, so I thought, shoot, let's tell you about it. Alright, so we've got a custom built 10 bolt front here. This 10 bolt front was built to customer specifications. It happens to have 410 gears in it. We did all the new master installation kit on the inside, the new yoke. This particular build was ordered without a tie rod. He's going to do a Willwood brake upgrade on it. So we could talk about this a little bit. This has got all new rotors ready to accept that Willwood kit. We've got the reed knuckle on here with the high steer option, so we've included that. You've got your axle shafts in there. This particular customer ordered this one with a 7/16 20 stud, so we've got it set up with those. Got the new Warren lockouts on there. Obviously every one of our refurbished builds gets fully sandblasted to give it the best appearance it can get. We always include little features like tags on there to include and keep our install shops from forgetting to put oil in it. It's a shame that does happen out there. So that's pretty much what the front's going to be. Out back, this particular customer looked to order a 14 bolt semi-float rear. He wanted to stick with a 6-lug configuration, and this was a nice set of mid-grade axles that would upgrade him to stronger, beefier, heavy-duty 3/4 ton components and still keep the 6-lug configuration. So he requested a drum brake setup, which we have here. Again, matching 7/16 studs. When you work with us, we're going to try to make sure your axle install is going to be very smooth, have the same lugs front and rear, those kinds of features. As we move around, we've got the perches and mounts on there to fit his K5 Blazer. We've got the upgraded cover here. He's got a true track in the rear for traction, limited slip, all buttoned up and ready to go here. We've got conversion U-joints and things like that that we can include to make your build and your installation really quick and easy. So yeah, really a one-stop solution. We're really happy to be able to build this for this customer. So it's headed down to Texas, and away we go. Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you for watching.